Hi guys, so today is gonna be a different video because I want to record something, but I had a hiccup the entire day. I'm not making the sound anymore, but it's like I'm like, you know. So what the fuck am I recording? So today I'm going to try to stop this goddamn hiccup. Tired of deadass. I swallow air like around 5 p.m. after I finish eating, and I have hiccup like since it's been 6 hours now, so I gotta solve it. So I'm gonna try like things so it can stop. So if you guys watching this video have a goddamn hiccup, stay with me. Okay, so let me search some videos. It's like video in Spanish, so
El truco más efectivo y conocido es beber un par de vasos de agua en diferentes tragos.
okay, so she said like I should drink like a glass of water like fast. I'm back with my glass of water right now. What the fuck? I for a second I thought like it didn't work though. Thank you.
Some ways to stop the hiccups from happening are to hold one's breath.
Okay, I need to hold my breath. Shit. Oh. You guys, it's not working. Like he doesn't even explain like am I supposed to hold it and like just breathe out like okay. Okay, it didn't work. Next.
I have a technique that's actually worked for everyone I've ever encountered, which is in fact to drink water, a tall glass of water, from the side opposite that you're usually drinking from. So normally we drink a glass of water from this side. Try to drink it from the opposite side by tilting your head down and drinking the water that way. And in fact, because of the way it's making the muscles contract, it stopped hiccups, including a gentleman who I saw who had been hiccuping for a week, who was having severe abdominal pain.
So this guy said this technique worked on everybody, and this guy had like hiccup for 1 week whatsoever. I'm not gonna have hiccups for 1 week, so I'm gonna try it and see if it shit's working. Because if it works, like I'm subscribing. Okay, so actually I don't know how like you're supposed to drink like this, but okay, so he said, okay, wait, let me put the picture. Okay, so he says like I shouldn't drink like this. I should drink like from here. If this works, sorry, if this works like you guys. I'm going to record this again. Okay, wait. Okay, can you guys see me? Oh shit. like this. Could you see me? Okay, I'm gonna stand. I was on the floor. Shit. How are you supposed to do it? I don't understand. I'm spilling everything. What the fuck?
I have a technique that's actually worked for everyone I've ever encountered.
Ow. You guys, it's not working. You guys,
I have a technique that's actually worked for everyone I've ever encountered.
I'm spilling everything. Fuck this shit.
I have a technique that's actually worked for everyone I've ever encountered.
I swear this guy is just the biggest troll, and he's making all of us do this bullshit.
And drinking the water that way.
Because it's
Water
not
that
working.
way.
Or am I doing it wrong? Like, I don't think I'm doing it wrong. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Yeah, guys, I refuse to finish doing that because it's not working. It's not. Next.
I have a technique
Does
that's
not
actually
work.
worked for everyone I've
And-
ever encountered.
Okay, guys, so my mom told me that a way to solve it is by smelling perfumes, like strong smells. So I got two. This one is strong AF. Like okay, so it's like put it and then put another two. Shit. What the fuck? I thought it worked for a while. Oh my god. Okay, guys, that didn't work.
Question is, how can I get rid of hiccups? People have all kinds of hiccup remedies that they swear by, none of which seem to have much to do with each other, like swallowing a teaspoon of sugar or— And why?
Okay, some people say like you should like do it with sugar. So I'm gonna bring like my sugar. How is 1 spoon a lot of sugar? How much should I put? Half?
Yeah, you can put like
Okay, guys, I grabbed sugar. It's a lot of sugar though, and it says like, I mean, like you are supposed to put it and wait until it melts, and that just sounds kind of disgusting. But fuck.
but just like suck it like you're having a candy.
It tastes so bad. Okay, I swallow it. And wait, I think it's gone.
Wait.
You guys, I think it's actually gone. I think like the freaking sugar, it's gone. You guys, this shit work, and this guy didn't even start his stupid video. It's gone.
Wait.
You guys, it's gone. Wait. Okay, so it's gone. Are you serious? Like the stupidest one, like is the one that worked. Like I record myself drinking water backwards. Like really, is sugar really the cure for hiccups? No, I really thought this was like I just tried this one for I actually recorded this one to show you guys like oh my god. Okay, so it worked. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, it worked, you guys. Okay, so you guys, sugar is what cured my hiccup. Forget about the water, forget about not breathing, forget about like I tried to smell perfume too. And then sugar is what cured my hiccups. So if you guys want to cure your hiccups, try sugar first. It worked for me. I don't know. The rest just seemed like a scam. Okay, I know this video was so stupid, but if you guys like it, or if I cure your hiccups, because I've seen these stupid other videos, they don't do anything for you. Like, even I found this about a guy making fun of this, and actually this works. So if you want to cure your hiccup, try sugar. And if you cure, I don't want to say cure, like if your hiccups stop, subscribe, like, comment, share. At least comment something nice, like I help you, like these other videos are not doing anything for you. Okay guys, thank you, and I see you on the next video.